Effective communication is the cornerstone of successful network marketing. In this video, we'll delve into essential tips tailored for network marketers aiming to enhance their communication skills. Whether you are a newcomer or a veteran in the field, these insights will empower you to build stronger relationships, convey your message clearly, and achieve better business outcomes. From mastering active listening to utilizing nonverbal cues and personalizing your approach, these strategies are designed to help you connect more deeply with your prospects and set you on the path to success. Active listening is a pivotal skill in network marketing, crucial for building meaningful connections. It means giving your full attention to your prospects, truly understanding their needs, and responding thoughtfully. Active listening involves techniques like nodding, maintaining eye contact, and summarizing their points to show you're engaged. This practice not only helps in grasping the prospect's desires and concerns, but also fosters trust and rapport, making them more likely to be receptive to your message. Mastering active listening can significantly enhance your communication effectiveness and drive your network marketing success. Clear and concise messaging is essential for effective communication in network marketing. Your goal is to convey your ideas in a straightforward and succinct manner. This involves structuring your communication logically, avoiding industry jargon that may confuse your audience, and tailoring your message to be easily understood by everyone you engage with. Strategies such as using simple language, being direct, and emphasizing key points can help ensure that your message is clear and impactful. Mastering these techniques can significantly enhance your ability to connect with prospects and communicate your value effectively. Nonverbal communication is a powerful tool in effectively conveying your message and building deeper connections in network marketing. Elements such as body language, eye contact, and facial expressions can significantly impact how your message is received. Maintaining open body posture, making consistent eye contact, and using appropriate facial expressions can reinforce your verbal communication. These nonverbal cues help to convey confidence, sincerity, and empathy, making your interactions more engaging and trustworthy. By mastering nonverbal communication, you can enhance your ability to connect with your audience on a deeper level and strengthen your overall communication strategy. Following up effectively is a critical component of successful network marketing. Timely and meaningful follow-ups show your prospects that you are genuinely interested in their needs and committed to helping them. Best practices include reaching out soon after your initial contact, personalizing your follow-up messages, and providing valuable information or solutions tailored to their specific concerns. The key is to be persistent without being pushy, demonstrating that you respect their time and are there to support them. Mastering the art of follow-up can significantly improve your conversion rates and solidify relationships with your prospects. Personalizing your approach in network marketing can significantly distinguish you from the competition. Tailoring your communication to address the specific needs, preferences, and concerns of each individual prospect shows that you value and understand them. Personalization involves doing your research, using their name, referring to past interactions, and offering solutions that are directly relevant to their unique situation. This targeted approach not only makes your prospects feel special, but also demonstrates your commitment to providing value. By personalizing your interactions, you create a stronger connection and increase the likelihood of building lasting business relationships.